Full mark. Gaurish Kumar. Full mark. Huh? Why? My next time. 15. Good. You didn't. Why you didn't give? She is not. No, this will not work. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we sit down. You? Why? I don't know. You sit down. Next time, don't miss the test. You? Well, you go. 14. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Well, 13. Why? You? Where is yours? How much? 11 only, no? Last time also 11. 13 is gone to 11. Where is your inside? You want to eat or eat? You? Full mark. Very good. Sit down. 3 people did not give the paper. Sit down. All of you sit down. You are 11. You said no, I will get more than Gaurish.
No, sir. I told I will get more than Amay.
No, sir. He never said that.
I said, sir.
No, sir.
So,
Okay,
standard. So next time you will get more than Amay.
Yes.
Amay, did you hear?
This time also I got.
Sir, not more than a man.
Last time what was the mark? Real numbers, what was the mark?
Real number 6.
6. 6 is gone to 11.
No, sir. Real number also I got.
Remember also 5. Yeah, okay. Take out the book. Yeah. Start. Let's complete that one. Keep the papers inside. Where 14? Real number 14. Later tell. Is the readers no?
No, sir.
5.
Later. But I got 14 now, sir. No.
So show this way. Keep it inside.
No.
Keep it inside. Yeah. Taken. Linear equations are coming, okay? Chapter.
Next month, sir.
Next month. Huh? Third chapter. When is the test? You run out? No, next.
ये संडे को थोड़ी है
Sunday tomorrow, no, not tomorrow.
इको और साइंस है कल इको और साइंस है इको भी है मैं भी इको इजी है पढ़ाई नहीं है
Yeah, enough. Yeah. If you copy from me, you tell me, okay? If you ask anything also, you come and tell me, okay? Then I will. Yeah. Sanvi, read the next question.
A peacock is sitting on the top of a pillar, which is 9 meters high, from a point 27 meters away from the bottom of the pillar. A snake is coming to its home at the base of the pillar. Seeing the snake, the peacock pounces on it. If the speeds are equal, at what distance from the hole is the snake got?
Rituja is going to explain. Then read the question and explain what's the meaning of the question. Board exam question. Samir, yeah, now sleep. Eat, sleep. Did you read?
Yes.
Where is the peacock?
On top of the whole pillar.
Pillar. What is the top height of the pillar?
9 meters.
There is a 9-meter pillar is there. So peacock is on the top of the 9-meter. Okay, there let's say peacock. Where is the snake?
27 meters.
27 meter away from the.
There is a hole.
So this is here is a snake and this distance is. And what is it? There is a hole is there. Over here there is a hole is there. So snake is moving towards the hole. Okay, then what happens? Peacock pounces on it and catches the snake. When? At what distance from the hole? So let's say over here. Are you followed? Snake is moving from here toward the hole. By seeing the piece snake, peacock pounces. Now read and find out what all things. Something else is given to frame. Something is given. What is given? Can you decrease the temperature? You read and find out the question answer here. Time pass he does it. Speeds of peacock and snake are equal. That is some one. There is another any other thing. Something else. Read and identify. Don't look at the figure. Will not tell you. Peacock and snake are moving in the same speed. That is one condition. Then what is the other condition? But that distance from the hole, that is at the point A, that is X. Something else in the question.
Sir, PA is equal to AS.
PA is equal to AS. How? Speeds are equal. Speed is equal. The PA is the speed. And they are starting at the same time. Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you they are starting at the same time. That means their time taken is equal, speed is equal. If the speed and time are equal, what will be equal? Distance. What is the distance traveled by the snake? What is the distance traveled by snake? 27. Yes. That is equal to how much? 27 minus X. What is the distance traveled by the peacock? PA. That means this also will be equal to 27 minus X. How did you get it? Because they are traveling with the same speed and they are starting at the same time. Therefore, the time is equal. Are you followed or not?
Yes.
Now, now you can apply the what? Vice versa. This is.
How there is 27.
Did you hear what I am saying? Did you hear? What did you hear? Let me hear. Now, what did you hear? I said why it is. There are certain conditions. I said. You tell me. What did I tell you?
That the speed and
Speed and
time is equal.
if the speed and time are equal, what will be equal? Distance. What is the distance traveled by the peacock? What is the distance traveled by AP? What is the distance traveled by the snake? So both are equal, no? So this is 27 minus X. This also. Sanvi stand up. Sanvi stand up. Did you hear? Bring your notebook here. Since long time I'm seeing both are sitting and talking. You as if you people know all these things, no? Front bench I will make you to sit. That permanent. Yeah. Some years next place.
We'll go that side.
Rituja also wait. Insects and all your that is the thing is going on. Rituja. So figure is drawn. What happens?
How do we know they start at the side?
Did you read the question? Read loudly.
peacock is sitting on the top of a pillar which is 9 meters high from a point 27 meters away from the bottom of the pillar. A snake is coming to its hole at the base of the pillar. Seeing the snake, the peacock pounces on it.
So seeing the snake means what? So that means they are starting at the same time now. This snake is here. By seeing the snake, immediately it started. The both are started. So peacock moved towards it. This is coming. Understood or not? Okay. How they are starting the same starting time is same for both. Okay. So a figure is drawn. All of you drawn the figure. So right. P is the peacock. BP is the pillar. P is the peacock. Completed for the figure. Then draw fast and mark the value. BP is the pillar, 9 meter high. BP is the pillar, 9. What happened there now? Write down now. I will not tell any step. BP is the pillar, 9 meter high. Okay. A is the point where the snake is caught. A is the point where snake is caught. Therefore, AB equal to x meter. AB is equal to x meter. Did you write? Then AS is equal to 27 minus x. AS is equal to 27 minus x meter. Did you write? Now, next step we write. Since the speed of peacock and snake are equal, since the speed of peacock and snake are equal, and they are starting at the same time, speed of peacock and snake are equal and they are starting at the same time, their distances are equal. Speed of peacock and snake are equal and they are starting at the same time. Therefore, their distances are equal. Therefore, AP is equal to AS is equal to 27 minus x. AP is equal to AS, which is equal to 27 minus x meter. Did you write anything?
Yes.
So, you wrote this one, distance, all these values you wrote. Every conditions you wrote now. Speed is equal, time say starting at the same time. Therefore, distance is equal. This is equal to x. So, now by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Apply. AB square plus BP square is equal to AP square. X square plus 9 square. 27 minus x whole square. One is looking behind, second is looking behind. Riya, did you write?
Yes, sir.
When you write Riya, Samir will write. Vinudi, did you write? Vinudi's copying is going to Riya. Riya's copying is going to Samir. See, look, one is looking behind, one is looking behind. You wrote anything? Did you write? Deepam wrote?
Done, sir.
Done. Now the remaining who will do it? Expand. Yogesh, you know what is 27 square? Wrong.
7.
X square plus 81 is equal to 729. plus x square minus 54x. 54x is equal to 729 minus 81. Subtract and divide by 54. You get the value of x. What do you will do? Huh? 54. Do you know what is a minus b whole square? Huh? What? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Apply. 2ab means 2 into 27. 54. 54x. Okay. So, got the answer. X equal to 12. 54x is equal to what did you get? 54x equal to 12. 648. X is equal to 648 divided by 54, which is equal to 12. Therefore, distance from the hole, the stake cord, is equal to 12 meter.
No, 27. 27 minus 12.
What do you have to find out?
That is.
Huh? Where is the hole?
What is the value of x?
Where is the huh?
Value of x क्या है?
Where is the hole? At B. So AB you have to find out, not 27 minus x. Distance from the hole where what happened now to you?
The distance from the
Read the question and find out what you have to find out. Loudly tell me, you tell me what you have to find out.
is this a short distance from the hole is the snake.
Also what you have to write? So you know it now. Is equal to distance from the hole where the snake caught is equal to how much? 12 meter. Now another one. What? Twenty-seven and 7. 7 threes are 27. Then 9 threes are 27. 12 nines are 108. Yeah. Completed all of you? Yes. Vinuli, read the next question.
Sum of the areas of two squares are sum of the areas of
We are done now.
is 400.
Arey, we are done that
centimeters
question.
square.
Actually, same question, similar question. Same thing only, value is different only now. So you will do it as homework. No? Next question.
The diagonal of the rectangular
What is, you do it in a, he does the work. You look here and there and sit. By that time he does his work. Diagonal of the rectangle.
of rectangular field is 16 meter more than the shorter side. If longer side is 14 meter more than the shorter side, then find the length of two sides of the field.
Okay, tell.
Longer side will be x plus 16.
What is x?
Shorter side.
Pakka, read once again. Louder. First statement, what is given?
The diagonal of rectangular field is 16 meters more than shorter side.
So then what is 16 meter more than shorter side? Longer side or diagonal?
Diagonal.
So shorter side is equal to x, diagonal is equal to 16 plus x. Did you write? Shorter side is equal to x meter, therefore diagonal is equal to 16 plus x or x plus 16, both are same thing. Then what is the next condition is given?
If the longer side is 14 meters more than the shorter side, then
So longer side is equal to how much?
14 meters more than shorter side.
That means how much? 14 plus x meter. So you got all the three now. Shorter side you got, longer side you got, diagonal you got. Yes, Vinuti, what will be the relation? What you are searching? What will be the relation to get?
Side.
Huh?
Sir,
You are Vinuti.
no.
Then. You got diagonal, you got shorter side, you have to got longer side. What will be the relation between these three? They are the sides of what? Do you know what is a rectangle? Can you draw a rectangle and see what is the relation between these three? No idea. So and we got what will be the relation between these three? What is it? Pythagoras theorem.
I was telling that, but you didn't allow me.
Are you follow?
Yes, sir.
Two people I asked. Samir is ready to help you people, but he don't take the help. So he was telling, sir, I will tell them. Anna, then do it na. By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, 16 plus x the whole square is equal to x square plus 14 plus x the whole square. Expand, simplify, you get the answer. Questions are different types of questions, that's why we are doing exercise over. One more. Are you writing? What happened? What happened? Now he is waiting. I will expand. I will write. After that, sir, I got. Just solve it. Expand and solve it now. You think that the others only others will take. She will tell you. Over. Go on. Okay. Time pass only you does. Got the equation? Solve it. Samir.
Yes, sir.
So look, we are not doing much way. That also I'll do. X square minus 4x minus how much? Huh? 60. And also return minus 10 and plus 6. X minus 10, x plus 6. Therefore, x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 6.
Sir, it cannot be negative.
Oh, now he will tell x cannot be negative. He will remaining some use. Sorry. Equation forming and all, someone else will do. Yeah. Therefore, shorter side is equal to how many meter? 10 meter. Diagonal 16 plus 10, 26 meter. Longer side 14 plus 10, 24 meter. Rituja, do it fast. Why this much time is taking? Then next one also done. That is the way, no? You will wait. Completed all of you?
Yes.
X equal to 10, minus 6 is not possible. So the values. Got it? Yeah. Then right there, then again I have to tell you shorter side is equal to how much? X. How many meters? 10 meter. Look over here, all values you put. Okay, value of X is how much? 10. Okay. Next question. Started. Melvin, read the next question.
How did you meet at terms?
Did you get this one? 10 into 6 is how much?
60.
10 minus 6 is how much? So minus 10 and plus 6. Understood or not? Now read. He will read, you will frame the equation, okay? Ganesh, okay.
A train travels at a certain average speed for a distance of 54 kilometers and then travels distance of 63 kilometers at an average speed of 6 kilometers per hour, more than the first speed. If it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey, what is its first speed?
So first speed you take it as X. Then what will be the second speed?
X plus 6.
Okay, then all of you find out. X plus 6 kilometer. Nobody will show the answer to anyone. Question I need, I will see the equation, okay? First speed, second speed, distance also given. First distance, second distance. No discussion, frame the equation.
What is average speed?
Second speed X plus 16. सिर्फ X की वैल्यू निकालने के तरीके X is equal to distance.
I know it. I expected that one. Come sit next to her. For the same reason. Another one, not started. First speed, second speed. You know the question you will not start. But you made the equation. Done. What is it? How? Speed is equal to distance by time. Very good. Read the question. Array, what is this 3? 3 is the time. What time?
3 hours.
To complete means in a volume 54. 54 divided by x equal to 3. Array, there is a first distance is there now. How much? 54.
kilometers.
Hello, don't show to him anything.
I saw everything.
I saw everything. I just sit and copy only. Second distance. I think exam also it does the same thing. 63 kilometer. Total time is given 3 hours. Therefore, first time is equal to 54 divided by x. Second, 63 divided by x plus 6. The total is, hello hero, copy from someone and don't shout. You do yourself and tell me. Is equal to 3. It is given the total time is equal to 3 hours.
I didn't see.
You didn't see. So somebody stopped you to see.
Yes. Yes. Stop.
Then next is you. And make it visit with you. We don't make these all foolish things again. Disturb. And what are you doing? Huh? Then LCM take.
54x plus 324 plus 68x.
You are teaching me, you do your work and give the answer. I said to do some nothing. I will sit and copy from
No, sir. I don't.
copy. One question you can do without anyone's help.
Yes.
Yeah.
From real numbers.
Your real number. I know. 5 mark you got. Hmm?
14 marks.
Same paper to a second time also he could not get full mark. I know.
Everything was right. Ma'am just kind of marks. You only.
Cross multiply, frame the equation. 54x plus how much? 3, 24 plus 63x is equal to 3x x plus 6. Now what does it mean?
X equals to 36.
Mistake. Who got the equation? Rituja, what is the equation he got?
X square minus 33x minus 28.
X square minus, that is 3x square plus 99x minus or plus minus 99x
Minus
324 equal to 0. X square minus 33x minus 108 equal to 0. 36 and 3.
minus 3.
What minus 3?
Minus 3.
Completed all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Therefore, the first speed is equal to
36.
36 kilometers per hour.
42 kilometers per hour.
What happened? You not following? Nothing following? Next question. Over. Oh. Yeah. Exercise over. Exercise over. There was a question was given that maths and science, how many we solved? Yes. Did we just solve? Yes. Anjali, what is the answer you got?
Then x is equal to 9.
X, how many values of x you got? 2. One value, 2 values. Which are 2 values?
9 and 12.
9 and 12. So there are 2 set of answers were there. Yes or no?
Yes.
When x equal to 9 and x equal to 12. Please do that one. Head will go down only all the time. Only for eating part only the head will go up. Let's sit straight and do the sums now. Exercise over. Okay. Now listen. Word problems of these exercises were not that too easy ones. Only one or all the 15 sums we have done. Now you have to practice. I mean to say you have to redo these all things. Then only you'll be able to do this one. But a lot. Homework part you have to complete this one. How many questions are there in the homework exercise? 12 sums are there. You need to practice. You need to do this all. Okay. That is the one you have to do. But before doing that one, you have to do the classwork once again. Okay. So, chapter part it is over. Yes or no? Now what is going on? I did not tell you to do that. Now only start realize that they are not done. Later you can do now. Okay. So, quadratic equation parts are over. All the parts we have done in this chapter. First is quadratic equation we discussed. Then we said about what are the roots of the equation. Solution by how many methods we have done? 2. Gaurish. Huh? Which are the 2 methods we parts are done? One is factorization and another is quadratic formula. Then after that we discussed about nature of the root. Discriminant. What do you mean by discriminant? B square minus 4ac. With that one we discussed the nature of root. Unequal roots. Huh?
B square. B square minus 4ac is
Less than 0.
What's it?
You. B square minus 4ac greater than 0. Then what did you tell? Why did you reply then if you did not hear the question? Huh? If you did not hear the question, why did you reply then? After wrong tell means what he said. So that is not. If you are not followed, you should ask. So why did not? Okay. Then we made mistake now. Unequal roots means distinct roots. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Equal roots.
Equal
B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. No real roots. Less than 0. Okay. So conditions you discussed. After that we have done the this one. Okay. There are more parts are there, but these all parts are deleted from the quadratic equations. They're reducing to quadratic equations and all that all parts are not there in this chapter. So part is over. Now again there is another exercises there with this one which are MCQs, case based and which one? Assertion reason. That is the part we have to do it. Okay. When the chapter gets over, we have to start. Which is the next chapter to do? What trigonometry? Where trigonometry started? Who actually? What? You're telling something, Deepak? You want to tell something? Why trigonometry? In which? I said. Why trigonometry started in your school?
Yes.
Whose school? My school, my school. What is the point of doing it? I'll check you here. Okay. I think I have to change your place. Okay. Now, before going to the next part, all of you take that exercise 4.6. Multiple choice question is there now. Okay, let's see 3-4 questions you do. How easy or difficult you will be able to do each exercise is not that easy. Try to solve it. I need the solutions. Okay. Page number 77. Start now. Exercise 4.6. Huh? Textbook you are able to do. MCQ by reading you are able to do. Hello, my friend, what are you doing there? Huh? Huh? There was a insect. No, let the insect be there. So the problem is there. Come stand, I will make you to sit outside. So start doing solving it. In the book, it's the other side you calculate now. It's not that easy one. You cannot do that way. You start solving. Who's in this book? Where is your Facebook? Where is your? Are he is not doing anything now? Take the book and do it. What you know how to do it? Do you know stand up? Please stand up. Are you people do the work now? I will ask the question from me now. You stand up. You studied quadratic equation anything? What's the book? Do you know what is the quadratic equation? Not studying. Which chapter is that? Are you? I will talk to them. You know, Gaurish, look in your book. Which chapter is studied till now? Linear equation. Huh? Linear equation is studied. Yes. How to find what is the condition for unique solution?
So only answer.
Hello, my dear, you write the answer. Not in between, not this. This one condition. Huh? What is the condition for intersecting line? Louder. Ratio intersecting. There is a condition for intersecting lines, or there is a condition for unique solution. Do you know? Loud speech. You will not revise. Which chapter you revise? No one. Nothing you so far revise. What you are doing this vacation? Which is study? Which subject we study? Hindi Marathi. Maths nothing is done. So did you do any chapter of maths? Anything? You're not remembering anything. Sit down. What is it? This discussion is going on. Do it yourself. What is it circling and all my dear friends? That circle. Tuja. First question, how many got the answer?
Sir.
What is the answer? Gaurish got?
E.
E. Answer.
K is smaller than or equal to
K is smaller. or equal to
Others be quiet. I am asking Gaurish, no, you people be quiet. Gaurish, read the question.
If the equation x square plus 4x plus k is equal to 0
X square plus 4x plus k equal to 0.
has real and distinct roots,
Real and distinct root. Do you know what is the condition for real and distinct roots?
b square minus 4 is
B square. I think who is talking again there? I am doing the sum on the board now. Then what discussion is going on? B square minus 4ac greater than 0. Then equal to from where we got? Then put the value b 4 square minus 4. A is how much 1. C is how much k greater than 0. 16 minus 4k greater than 0. 16 is greater than 4k. Are you followed or not? Rituja, in this question, this is the fourth time I am calling you. Yeah, which question? Which question you have done? Bring your book here. Then, therefore 16, bring your book here. The 4 is greater than k. K is less than 4. Which option you have? K is less than 4? A. Huh? A. Answer is k is less than 4. Simply don't write anything. Don't waste your time. What is thinking is going on up and down. This is very important now. Isn't it? And what is your answer you got? K equal to 4. Huh? Do you read? Look at the board. What is done? This is the answer. Now check what is it. If you don't simply put k greater than 4 and all, or some equal to 4. Answer simplifying it is coming as 4 is greater than k, so k is less than 4. Questions are not easy. Simply and MCQs we have to be really careful. Read it. Second question, read.
If the equation 9x square plus 6kx
9x square plus 6kx
plus 4 is equal to 0 as equal roots.
As equal roots. So what is the condition for equal roots? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. B square means 6k whole square minus 4 into 9 into 4 is equal to 0. 36k square. Hello? You don't need to do service for her. You doing marking in your book. So you write over their answer. I wanted to see this one. One man got all the answers. Please come stand up. Now come here. Stand over here. After that, let me. 4 into 9 into 4. That is not need to directly 4 into k square. 4 into 9 divided by 36. You can see 9 4s are k square is equal to 4. K is equal to plus minus 2. All of you got it the answer? Okay. Now Samir, do the third question on the board. Let me see. Because he got all the answers. There, do it over there. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah. What? Do your work. Otherwise, you will go out from the class. Okay? You.
Why is that?
Why I am to tell you with this one. Samir, read the question.
If the equation ax square plus 2x plus a equals to 0 has two distinct roots, if
So do it. Let me see. By saying you know the answer now.
it's easy. By seeing only I got that.
You all got the answer?
Yes.
What is the answer?
Plus minus.
What?
A.
A square equal to minus 1. No? Please go outside. Did you hear to go outside? Anyway, you're time wasting your time only. Time pass only do. You go and sit in that room, you go and sit there. Go. Go. And on the top, he's marking everything in her book. Can you tell me how did you get this all? And the same thing you did over here now. Either study you don't do, brother. Please don't disturb the class. Just go and sit outside now. Huh? Yeah. All of you listen here. This is given as distinct root. Do you know what is the meaning of distinct roots? What is the meaning of distinct roots?
More than greater
The
than zero.
b square minus 4 is, all of you listen. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. That means it is coming as 2 square minus 4a into a greater than 0. 4 minus 4a square greater than 0. Therefore, 4 greater than 4a square. Divide by 4, 1 greater than a square means a square less than 1. Now look here, it is not plus or minus 1. A square is less than 1. That question, there is a printing mistake is there. Now all of you look here, what is the meaning of a square less than 1? That is why some of the questions I thought to do it. When, look, if a square is less than 9, its meaning is a is between minus 3 and plus 3. Means minus 3 less than a less than 3. Listen carefully. When a square is less than 9 means the value of a should be between minus 3 and plus 3. So a square less than 1 means the value of a should be between minus 1 and plus 1. Means the value, any value between, this is called minus 1 less than plus 1. Means between minus 1 and plus 1. That there is a printing mistake is there. The question either it should be equal to 0, or sorry, roots are equal, or the option should be given. Okay. Now, here this one, if it is a square less than, so if it is a square less than 16, then what is the condition you know? Between minus 4 and plus 4. Suppose if it is a square is equal to 16, you know what the value of a? 4 and minus 4. If a square is greater than 16, its meaning is a will be less than minus 4 or a will be greater than 4. Why I'm telling this one means so that you should remember what are the conditions to identify. When a square is less than 16 means between minus 4 and plus 4. Equal to 16 means a is equal to plus or minus 4. Greater than 16 means it will be more than 4 or less than minus 4. These are the three conditions. Only if it is 16, instead of 16, whatever the number accordingly changes. Is it clear? Okay. Next question. What is the next question?
The value of root 6.
Value of root 6.
Plus root 6.
Root 6, listen all of you. Root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 plus etc. is coming out. It is keep on going on, infinite number of terms. How many terms? It is not 1 or 2 terms are there, infinite number of terms. So, Here. This one, anyone could do? This one, you could do that one? This we will take it as x is equal to. When you do this one, this is how many numbers are there? It is infinite number. When you square, one root will go. One root will go means it will come x square is equal to 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 plus etc. It will keep on going on. Means squaring means one root will go. Still this is equal to same as x. Therefore, this equation reduces to x square is equal to 6 plus x. Or it will come as x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the condition. So equation you got it. Therefore, this can be factorized as x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. X into x minus 3 x minus 3. That is x minus 3 times x plus 2. X equal to 3 or minus 2. So the answer is minus 2 is not possible. Therefore, the answer is x equal to 3. This is the way to do it. Check the steps. When you root, when squaring means one root is gone, 1 6 will come outside, the remaining root. That is same as again question, I replaced as x. Then solve it. Yogesh, are you followed? Yes. That is all. So final answer is x is equal to 3. MCQs of this exercise are not that easy. It's a complicated one. That's why I wanted you to do one or two so that you understand how difficult is this one. What happened? What did you cover and do? Huh? To focus, you put this one. So read the next question, then let me give more focus.
If the equation bracket a square plus b square
A square plus b square.
Multiplied by x square minus 2 multiplied by ac plus bd
AC plus BD.
x multiplied by x.
AC and BD in bracket?
Yes. X plus c square plus d square is equal to
Equal to 0.
Has equal roots then.
Do you know what is the condition for equal roots? Also, all of you do it. Let's see what you get. Simplification, do it. After that, I will explain. That is, Samir knows what is the condition for equal roots? Samir, do you know what is the condition for equal roots? Do you know? Answer to me, yes or no? So apply b square minus 4ac equal to 0 and simplify. Vinuli knows what is the condition for equal roots. What is it?
X square minus 4ac.
All of you do it that b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Let's see how simplification you get it. After once if you do, then I will explain. This is question number which one? 5. Hope you have simplified. Anjali simplified. Abhi, any simplification done? Abhi, any simplification done? Where? Can we do? Then do fast now. I'm saying here. Melvin, yes, any simplification done? Yes. Do the sum now. What is it all cutting what is going on? Yogesh, should you get any simplification? No. Am I? Difficult. Difficult, yes. That mistake, then what is a plus b whole square? What is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus where is 2ab then first bracket whole square means the 2ab term will come now. And look here. This one is done. Huh? Huh? What happened? Nothing. He keeps on saying. He is covering everything and sitting. I thought it's very cold, that's why I switched off. Yeah. You sit, come and sit in the second. So what is the, you know b square? B square means, all of you look here, stop writing. What is the value of b? Minus 2 times AC plus BD. So square of that one is minus is gone. 4 times AC plus BD the whole square. Minus 4 into A square plus B square times C square plus D square is equal to 0. This much all of you followed? Yes. This much all of you got? Now, you can see 4 is common. I can cancel from throughout. Dividing by 4 it will be cancelled. Now, so I am cancelling it. What is left out? AC plus BD whole square. Now, what this one has to be expanded using the identity. Which identity? A plus B whole square. That means A square C square plus 2ACBD or ABCD anything like that plus B square B square. Are you followed? Then when minus in bracket will come A square C square plus A square D square minus plus B square C square plus B square D square. Who is that now? Huh? What happened? What happened, Amay? So what did you get the answer? So then listen now. When you open the bracket, you can see this A square C square will be cancelled. B square D square will be cancelled. What is left out? 2A B C D minus A square D square minus B square C square is equal to 0. Did you get this? Did you? So now if I change all the sign, it will come A square D square plus B square C square minus 2ABCD is equal to 0. Let's check square square. This is A square plus B square. This is same as AD minus BC whole square is equal to 0. So square is equal to 0 means AD minus BC is equal to 0. That is your answer. Is there any option is given? What already? AD
is equals to BC.
You do your work.
AD
AD minus BC equal to 0, so AD equal to BC. See, the MCQs are why I made it to do means it's not that too easy ones. Not that you not by looking at one man is sitting at ABCD, all 10 answers we got it. All answers we got, and that nicely he is helping all the girls, picking on the book of the textbook. You get from the okay. See how difficult the things are there. Yes. Okay. Who's that? Huh? That also you want process. No. Okay. Melvin, what happened? All fine now? Okay. Chalo. Huh. Rituja, follow now. Huh? Where is the square goes? What do you do? Where is the right? What is the right side? What is the right side? Do you know what is the square root of 0? So if a square is equal to 0 means a is equal to 0. Understood or not? That is a property. When anything square equal to 0 means that value is equal. Value is equal to 0. What is happening there, Melvin? Now what happened? Yes, Melvin.
Sir, that 4 and minus 4 will get cancelled.
It is not 4 and minus 4, it is dividing by 4. Understood or not? So what stopped now? Melvin started. What happened, Melvin? That is all. Okay. Oh, that's it. Here it is come over. All of you got the sound? No, please stand up, all of you. All of you, please stand up. You want to talk to them? Talk for 5 minutes. Huh? Huh? You come out with that. This is last time also I think this one. You like to wear. Tomorrow you take his pant all time. Wear his pant. Huh? That's. When you sit this side, that excitement I don't see now. When you sit there, go there only this one thing sorry.
Hey, Gauri, Dushandre.
Samina.
Amaya.
Yeah, okay. Listen here.
फिक्के मारूंगा.
Okay, done. Fine, relaxed all of you. Okay, then sit quietly. Close your textbook. Close the volume.
सबसे ज्यादा एमसीक्यू मैंने ये ना लिखी किधर
Yeah, listen. Next day onwards, the maths lecture, the boys will sit over here, girls will go here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hello. Yeah. Gaurish, if you want to sit, you sit over there. All the boys will sit over there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Are more in number.
Hello.
Boys are more in number.
Hello. And I'll send you with the girls. Don't worry. So then quietly you don't feel offended, okay? That you're going that way, so I'll also go. Okay. Now, so is it clear? Amay,
Yes,
make
sir.
sure that
I come late, sir.
Acha, many people come. Anjali, sit there only. Yes, that's enough.
Sir, they won't answer.
Why you want to do it?
Sir, this time, sir, I'm comfortable.
They are, see, you are comfortable. They should also get the comfort, no?
No, sir.
Why not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, no comfort. Total comfort.
इसको वो डिटर्जेंट चिल्ला
Amai,
कंफर्ट का डिटर्जेंट
Amai, there is not discussions are done. I said no, that's enough. Okay. You know comfort means you get the comfort over here, that's all. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, nobody made you do this and all, you are in charge of that or something, okay? Understood, that is not the place always permanently for you. Yeah. You otherwise, okay, you understand? All the girls will sit and plus this one also, you will also, Gaurish also will sit there. Yeah. The chapter we are going to, all of you listen now. We are going to do the one of the again another important chapter, that is a chapter is trigonometry. Now to do the chapter, what happened now? Trigonometry, when you, hello, I will send you out now. This much time I have given, now be quiet. Enough time I have given, now don't pass comment again. Over now. So trigonometry, to do this one, in your this chapter, close the volumes and all, sit down and move to the side. Yeah. Trigonometry, to do this one, first and foremost thing is trigonometry of your 10th standard is based on list of identities. A list of identities are there. If you, that part you have to learn. Now, important of this chapter, it is not only in this chapter. What is happening since long time? You are going on all one by one things. Just sit quietly there, okay? Now, important of this chapter is not only in this this year, coming years, wherever you study maths, trigonometry is a part of that. Okay, and you are studying only little, very little trigonometry in the 10th. What happened here? What happened? And let it be there. Later you can find out now. Yeah, don't in between move here and there. Now, only little percent of trigonometry you are studying. Without knowing this one, higher classes you cannot do trigonometry. Okay. Now, the chapter trigonometry, you will see there are 3 to 4 exercises are there. First 2-3 exercises are easy. Easy means if you know the formula, direct substitutions of the. There is a difficult part is coming in the last part, that is a proving identities. Proving identities, proof you have to do means you have a bit complicated ones, proving and all, because daughter properties you have to apply and you have to think and do it. Okay, applications. But important thing what you have to do is whatever is taught over here, that you will learn and come. This year, the trigonometry we will be studying. For this year, you will be studying trigonometrical properties are for only for right angled triangles. Which type of triangles? Right angled triangles. Okay. So, you wanted to explain anything? I said in my lecture when it is going on, no passing comment, no discussions. Is it clear? Lot of times I am seeing you moving here and there. You want to talk something? You move outside. Yeah. Now, right angle triangles properties are coming. First and foremost thing is the spelling the word trigonometry. When we say trigonometry means T-R-I-G. See, you will write T-R-I-G. We said trigonometry, but it is T-R-I-G-O-N-O. M-E-T-R-Y. Okay, trigonometry. We say trigonometry, but G-O-N-O. Don't make mistake in writing the word trigonometry. Remember this one. Okay. Now, we are going to first time today. We will be giving a list of formula. We are going to do right angle triangle. Gaurish, what is right angle triangle?
Sir,
Do you know?
there is a
Amay, what is a right angle triangle?
One angle is 90.
In a triangle, one angle is equal. Please keep that one over there. Don't do in between all these things. It's a disturbing. You are disturbing others. Understood? So, do you know what is the inner triangle? One angle is equal to 90 degree. Do you, Bhavya, do you know about the other two angles?
the other two angles are, like, we do not know the measurement, but the total sum of the angles is 90 degrees.
Other two angles are acute and their sum is 90 degree means there is a word is there. Sum of two complementary. Are you followed? So remember this one. Whenever you tell about a right angle triangle, it is a triangle with one angle is equal to 90 degree. Other two angles are acute and complementary. Means in this triangle, angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle A and angle C are acute and they are complementary. Complementary means their sum is equal to 90 degree. Means this angle A is equal to 90 minus C or angle C is equal to 90 minus A and angle B is equal to 90. This means you got it all of you? Okay, that is about the angle. Now come to the sides. One of the side is hypotenuse. Which is the hypotenuse over here? AC. What is the meaning of the hypotenuse? It is the longer side or the side opposite to 90 degree. This much is clear, and we can apply Pythagoras theorem. All of you know apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. This much you should know about the right angle triangle. Clear? Now we are going to start with the trigonometrical properties. When generally we consider one acute angle. Have you seen this notation anytime? Theta. Generally the acute angle, commonly we take as we consider any one of the acute angle as theta. Okay, any one of the acute angle. Acute angle, not B. Either you can take A as theta or C as theta. One of the acute angle. Now, after that I will explain. If this is theta, then what will be this angle? 90 minus theta. Or this is theta means the other angle is equal to 90 minus theta. Angle B is equal to 90. Now, look here. I am going to give the name of the sides. It is already given. This side is called hypotenuse. HYP, hypotenuse. AB is the opposite of theta. Yes or no? AB is the opposite side of theta. This side is called opposite side. And BC is the adjacent of theta. Already have this also adjacent. That is covered. This is called adjacent side. So right triangle, three sides are given. Which are three sides? Hypotenuse, opposite side, adjacent side. All of you got it? Now look over here. If this angle A was theta, hypotenuse will remain same. What will be the opposite side? BC, and the adjacent side is. That is why you have to be careful which angle to be taken. Understood? If you are taking this one, the sides will change. Opposite side is also known as perpendicular. That later I will just now. And adjacent side is called base. Base and perpendicular later we'll discuss. These three sides here follow. Which are three sides? Opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. There are 6 ratios will come with these sides of the triangle. AB upon AC, there is one ratio. AB upon BC, another ratio. BC upon AB, third. BC upon AC, fourth. AC upon AB and AC upon BC. They are called 6 trigonometrical ratios. They are called the 6 trigonometrical ratios. So what are trigonometrical ratios? They are the ratios of the sides of a which triangle? Right triangle. With respect to one acute angle. Because this opposite side is with respect to one acute angle. Got the idea what is trigonometrical ratios? What are trigonometrical ratios? They are the ratios of the sides of a right angle triangle with respect to one acute angle. Are you followed? So they are ratios mean there is no unit for them. Isn't it? Ratio does not. Do you know what I mean by ratio? What is the meaning of 3:4? 3 upon 4. Do you know what is the meaning of A is to B? A upon B. It is a comparison of two quantities of the same kind. Okay. Now, these ratios are 6 different names are there. The names I am going to write. Six things are written. First one is called sine. Second one is called cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent. Do you learn? Sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent. Learn?
Yes.
Yes, then
Sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent.
sit down. Who else?
Sine, cosine, tangent, then
Cosecant,
cosecant, then
secant,
tangent,
and cotangent. Even the shorter way also you can remember sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. Three are with co. Okay, that co we will tell you what is this co meaning also. Later is got the complementary no that we will discuss. Okay, sine, cosine, tangent. Why I have given this order? There is a specific meaning, specific cases there that is why I given. Okay, sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and secant, 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 and cotangent. These are the six ratios. Now, these are the names. Now, in short form, sine of some angle, sine of theta, denoted by, we will not write anywhere, sin theta. How will you read this one? Sine theta, not sin theta. Sine theta. This is denoted by cos theta. There is no capital letter, cos, cos theta. Tan theta. Next one is cosec theta. This is called sec theta. This is called cot theta. Throughout you will study this only. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay. So open your notebook. Write the heading trigonometry. Write down. And draw this triangle. Trigonometry spelling check. What is written? Trigono. Cut it and rewrite. Make this triangle and mark it. Don't write this one. Just only this figure. What I am telling you do it. Draw the figure. Then below write. Consider the right triangle ABC. Consider the right triangle ABC with angle B is equal to 90 degree. Consider the right triangle ABC. Quickly, stop drawing and write first. With angle B is equal to 90 degree. With angle B is equal to 90 degree. Written. Then side AC is the hypotenuse. Side AC is the hypotenuse. Written. One you wrote right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to. Hello, Priya, it is not that every time look here and there. Then next line, leave one line and write. When I tell something, people do something else. That's a problem. Next line, write. Angle A and angle C. Angle A and angle C are acute and are complementary. Angle A and angle C are acute and are complementary. Written, you wrote right triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree, hypotenuse, angle A and angle C are acute and are complementary. This much is written. Now, next line. Next. What did I tell you to write? Why you are writing all these things? Just cross it. You have to write again this one. When I tell something, you listen to me. Then below write down. If we consider the acute angle C equal to theta, acute angle C is equal to theta, then side AB is the opposite side. Side AB is the opposite side. Written? Next term. And side BC is the adjacent side. Side AB is the opposite side and side BC is the adjacent side. Written? So, you said acute angle C is equal to theta, side AB is the opposite side, side BC is the adjacent side. Next line right. There are 6 ratios. 6 ratios of the sides of this triangle. There are 6 ratios of the sides of the triangle with respect to theta. With respect to theta. There are 6 ratios of the sides of the triangle with respect to theta. They are called what? Trigonometrical ratios. You're writing. There are 6 ratios of the sides of the triangle with respect to theta. They are called trigonometrical ratios. Written? Now, right. They are. Now what happened now? They are 1. Sine of angle theta. First one, sine of theta denoted by sine theta. Second one, cosine of theta denoted by cos theta. Third one, tangent of theta denoted by tan theta. Fourth, cosecant of theta denoted by cosec theta. Fifth one, secant of theta denoted by sec theta. Cotangent of theta by cot theta. Next class I will give you what are the ratios. This much you write. Homework already given to you. Yes or no? What? Homework is what problems now? Okay. And practice the additional sum. Done.
I देखेंगे 30 है अभी तो 11 में जाएगा 30 है this is chance और भाई कैसी लगी चाय की पत्ती